Okay, so we're here at Delvecchio's place, and there's a dead cat, he must say. Whoa, Devin, did you make this hole?
No.
Who did? Oh, cool.
Dead cat.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, God, dang. Ew, it's a dead kitty. Smells. It's a dead
Right
cat.
there.
Right there. Right there.
You can see its skull.
Look at that. That's his skull right there. Poor kitty. Let's go and look at the fishy.
Nuh-uh.
Huh?
There's no fishing canal.
Fishy. Devin, I'm still recording. We should come in here more often. Hey.
You can only go up there for now.
Okay. So I figured out what we're gonna do. Hi. Okay. We're going to roll down the hill with our cameras. So let's go. Devin, you can talk into the camera and do whatever you want. Are you recording? Okay. Yay. Okay, so this hill over there. Whoa. Okay, that hill over there. I'm going to roll down it. This looks like it's... Holy cow, this is a steep hill.
Whoa.
Did you just drop that? World, he dropped his iPod. Okay, who's ready? I don't know if I want to do this. He dropped it again. Throw it again. Throw it up in the air.
I already did.
Okay, so here we go. Ouch! Sorry, world, I dropped you. Oh, I just slipped. Okay, let's try to get up that hill again. Devin, do you want to try rolling down?
One. Watching my other video.
Oh, you are? Let's watch it.
They can watch it on stupid YouTube.
Sorry. Later.